Welcome everyone. In this video we going to explore the new path called Codecademy. Is designed for a sturdy basis in all the skills, coding and the programming languages. You'll also get hands-on experience that will assist your problem solve like an actual programmer. For the Codecademy official website, click on the link I provided in the description. Once you are in, you will see Explore our catalog, with 4 major topics. Below click on the Take Our Quiz button, if you don't know where to start. They help you decide what to learn. Learning to code as a novice can be frightening, but you don't have to be a genius. Anyone can accomplish it, all you need is the desire and dedication to master the programming skills required to create computer software, apps development, or design your own website for free. For beginners to intermediate, learn how to code online, put your learning into practice. Click on the Take Our Quiz button. You'll have this page. Now press the Start button, and answer all of the questions to figure out where to start learning. Let's dive in. Now click on the Browse Courses. On this page, you will have all the languages: HTML and CSS, Python, JavaScript, Java, SQL, C++, so on. Further below, you will have more subjects to learn: web development, data science, computer science, developer tools, machine learning, code foundations, web design, game development, mobile development, data visualization, interview prep, cybersecurity. Let's see what free courses are offered in each category. Is Codecademy free? Now only a few of the basic courses are available for free. Most of their courses are included in their Codecademy Pro subscription. You can start for free at first to gain some knowledge. If you don't have a programming background, Codecademy is a wonderful resource for people without a lot of coding experience. You can get started writing code quickly and build some really cool things. Let's see what free courses are offered in each subject area. To begin, choose your subject. And then this page will appear. Course description, as well as beginner-friendly courses, may be found in the recommended courses section. Choose between the two. The pro courses, however, are not included. Once you've chosen a course, you'll be redirected to the course overview and syllabus page. Please be aware that there is no certification for the free plan. To attain a certificate, you have to get the pro membership. In the syllabus, you will discover the course progress, the course description, and the contents of the articles. Now press the Start button to begin learning. You must either join up with your Google or Facebook account, or establish an account before continue. After you've logged in, you will have this page. Begin studying and taking all of the quizzes. Take pleasure in learning. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very useful who is looking for online courses. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you require any particular course. I try to get it for you. See you on my next video.